Let's quickly see how to make a Google form. If you are using your mobile, then go to Chrome, type Google form in the Google search. You will get an option to create Google Forms. Click on this. It will ask you two questions. Are you making this for a personal use or for some business? Mostly we want to make a Google form so that we can know few questions or few feedback from our audience or our friends and family. So I suggest go for personal Google form. Click on go to Google Forms. There will be an this window will open up. This is an blank Google form. Now you can write on the top whatever is the agenda of the form. For example, demo form. Once done, you can click here and type your description. This is a demo form. For example, you are creating some workshop, webinar, or surveys. You can give a complete detail in this description. Why are you asking these questions? And what is this form about? Why are you collecting this information? The more clear you are, it's more likely that the participants will fill up the whole form. Then one by one you can create questions. For example, you want to ask the name of the participant. So name. Once you write name, there are lots of options. What kind of questions do you want? Answers format do you want to ask for that particular question? For example, you want to give them multiple choice, drop down, check box, short answer. So for name, you will click on short answer. Then there is a plus sign in the bottom left. First sign is a plus sign. So you can create more questions with that. Also in this question, you can add a photograph from this image icon in next to name. Then you can also create a copy of this question using the this bottom, this one, the duplicate option. You can delete if you have created a wrong question, and there are few questions which are mandatory whenever we fill up the forms. So you can put required. So it is mandatory. Until and unless somebody will answer this question, they won't be able to submit the form. So this is a mandatory question for them. So click on required. Now you can either duplicate this same question, you can remove it, and etc. So once this question is created, for example, I want to ask name, then click on the plus sign here and another question will pop up. Now you ask WhatsApp number, then it will automatically pick short answer, otherwise you can add it. So make it mandatory. If you want contact details, then add email ID, then add how do you know Swati Vyas. So now you can give multiple choices here. So click on option 1. You can say LinkedIn, add another option, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, offline. Whatever options do you want to give, you can give. If you select multiple choice option, then out of these only one will be able to select. If you give a checkbox, then more than one answers can be selected. So now it depends upon your question what kind of option do you want to give to the participant. Then you create one more question. What do you like the best about Swati Vyas? And then you can give a long form of answer, so you can give paragraph. Also, you can experiment with the questions and answer. You can give them grid options, multiple grid options. So, in which row, which column, what do you want to add? For this, for like this, you can create more and more Google Forms, and you can create a detailed survey for your particular event. Once it is done, you click on this triangle button on the top. It says send. So you can either send it via email if you have the email option, if you have the email of the participant. Otherwise, you can click on this icon, it will generate a link. You can shorten the URL, it will give you a short URL. Copy that URL, and now it is copied to the clipboard. Now you can send it to people through WhatsApp or any other medium you want. This is how you share it. And for responses, you click on responses. Once somebody will fill the form, you will get all the responses here. Whenever you want to come and change or edit your questions, you can come to this Google form. It is saved in your Google Drive now. So now you can edit your questions or add and subtract them. Also, you can add different colors, themes. You can add a header, so you can create a image for the header, the top header, how the form will open up, and then you can choose an image there. There are also many themes already given. So let's say I click on this insert, so that header will be uploaded. I will choose a color, so it is taking an auto color. I can either go with it or I can choose my own color. Then there is a font style, so I want a playful font, so I took this. Then apply. Once you apply it, see the header is changed, the font of the questions is changed. Now it is a playful font. Also, there are settings. You can make a copy of it, you can move it within the folders of your Google Drive. You can get a pre-filled link from here. You can print this form. Even you can add collaborators so that other people can help you with proceedings and analysis of the response, etc. You can either star mark it so that it will be showed in the starred column of your Google Drive. And if you have done some step wrong, then you can undo it from this drop down options. This is the basic way to create a Google form. Also, once you are decided on everything regarding this, then yeah, you can even make sections within the form. And once you are decided with this, you can send this link to whoever you want. This link. If you don't want to give option, if you don't want to write the question of email ID, then you can just click on this collect email address. So whoever will fill the form, automatically they will have to give their email ID. So it's simple. This is how it is done. I hope I helped you. If you have any more queries, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much.